today's subtopic is reasons for the growth of population, right? So India is second most populous country in the world. I think within 20 years we are going to see dominate China, and definitely we will be the first. Our country will be the first country with more population. So the world population increased to 750 crores. My point is here, so it will be biggest threat for that. Just when talking about that, it's really overpopulation is really a big burden. So it's a burden, right? We must look at this reasons for the overpopulation. This is very, very important, and as said by Bansa, just everybody look into that, right? Thank you. So talking about reasons, there are five major reasons for the growth of population in India and threats. Right after getting independence, Indian government gave priority for development, and in this process, they introduced 5 plans. Right? They introduced 5 plans. Planning Commission was set up in 1950. After that, the Indian government gave priority for irrigation and agriculture. So they gave priority for modernization of agriculture. So crops are grown, and now people are free from this drought situation. At the same time, talking about this, the government gave more priority, and they spent a lot of money in this particular area. And there is a particular work regarding the control of floods also was done. So this is the way how people are protected from various aspects, natural calamities, by the government of India. First factor. Coming to the second factor, effective control of dreadful epidemic diseases through vertical advancement of technology, medical technology, and this technology gave priority for health, and they are able to introduce many medicines. At the same time, this was really a big step taken by government of India, and they went to each and every village. Whatever that the epidemic diseases are there, like cholera, malaria, were totally controlled, and such a great work done by government of India. This is that leads to the fall of death rate, and we have succeeded, right? Indian government succeeded in controlling death rate. So earlier 1920s and 30s, 40s, 50s, right? At the time, death rate was very, very high than the birth rate. Even when you are talking about Indian population in 1921, when population census was conducted, after 10 years, I mean 11 to 21, population was decreased. After 10 years, population must be increased, but actually it decreased because more death rate. But after getting independence, Indian government gave priority for all these medical technology research institutions, and they increased all the research institutions, and they spent a lot of money then so that they could control all these diseases. Then totally birth rate was fallen. Coming to the third topic, right? Third point is we are able to control birth rate, death rate, but birth rate could not control birth rate because of some reasons. What are the reasons here? Illiteracy, religious aspects, social attitude of the people. Like people would like to have a son, even though that they had a few girls, right, female children. They are waiting for son, because son is valued one, right? They think that the son is valued one, and the daughter is not valued. So that's one major reason. And at the same time, talking about the early marriages, a system of early marriages you could find in India, where the girl married at the age of 13, 12, like that. So that it was a big problem for them, because they don't know how to do all the things, and they don't know about the family planning, and they don't know about the program introduced by government regarding the control of population. They are not able to study because of illiteracy and all. Coming to the traditions and customs also dominated this one. Traditions and customs also dominated. And family planning program was introduced 1950s. But the people are aware, not aware of this. People not able to utilize this, what you call this program introduced by the government of India. So effectively we are not able to control. When as long as people are away, they are not able to control. They are not able to think about the burden of the population. We cannot do that. Even government cannot do that. Government and its programs may not be succeeded. So my point is here, we need to cooperate with the government, and we must follow these schemes and programs introduced by the government. But 1950s, before that, and after that also, people not able to follow the government. So that death rate was controlled, but birth rate was not controlled. Like, and two more points I will revise. And fourth reason is about India's after independence developed. Transportation and technology improved, and particularly urbanization, industrialization. These are all factors gave employment opportunities for the people. So that's why they don't want to think about the number of children that they had, because when employment is there, when opportunities are there, when people are able to get a kind of confidence that they can live, so that with that definitely they can get a kind of confidence, and they don't think about one or none or all the things that they gave birth for many babies. So a scope for employment that they got of independence. This is the fourth reason. And coming to the last reason, spread of education, development of science and technology, and effective utilization of resources. This is a major point in India. Indian government and people gave priority for effective utilization of resources. So when resources are utilized properly, leads to sustainability, leads to development, leads to scope for livelihood, and so that they don't think about the burden of these children, because when money is able to earn, when things are good and everything is available. So this is not the question. Question of overpopulation will not arise, because they don't think that. Because here money is there and able to purchase things, required things, able to send their children to school, and so here kind of development, giving a kind of boost to the people to have many children. That's all. These are the points. I hope you could understand these points. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet.